practice your English. I read white. You read yellow.
The Great Bake-Off Disaster. Conversation between two friends, Lisa and Ben.
I'll play the role of Lisa and you'll play the role of Ben. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Hey, Ben, how did your baking session go last night?
Oh, Lisa, it was a complete disaster.
Really? What happened? You were so excited about it.
Well, first, I couldn't find the flour. Turns out, I had mistaken powdered sugar for flour, so my cake was off to a very sweet start.
Haha, a sugar cake. That's unique. What else went wrong?
Then, I couldn't find any baking soda, so I thought, hey, why not use soda? It's fizzy too.
Please tell me you didn't actually use soda.
I did. I used orange soda thinking it would add a citrusy flavor. Instead, it added a sticky mess.
This is getting better and better. What did it look like?
Imagine a cake trying to bubble over like a science experiment. That's what it looked like.
I'm almost afraid to ask, but did you at least get it baked?
Sort of. I accidentally set the oven to broil instead of bake. The top was burnt to a crisp while the inside was raw.
Oh no. Did you try to salvage it?
I tried to cover it with frosting, lots and lots of frosting. But it just ended up looking like a melted snowman.
That's hilarious, Ben. Let's practice your English. Now. Hey, Ben, how did your baking session go last night? Really? What happened? You were so excited about it. Haha, a sugar cake. That's unique. What else went wrong? Please tell me you didn't actually use soda. This is getting better and better. What did it look like? I'm almost afraid to ask, but did you at least get it baked?
Oh no. Did you try to salvage it?
That's hilarious, Ben.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.